To fix collections not showing in Shopify, start by checking your collection settings. Ensure that the collection is set to visible and that the visibility is set to all customers. You can do this by going to the collections page in your Shopify admin, clicking on the collection that is not showing, and scrolling down to the visibility section. Next, check the collection type. If the collection is set to manual, ensure that you have added products to the collection. If the collection is set to automatic, check the conditions that you have set for the collection to make sure they are correct. For example, if you have set the collection to include products with a certain tag, ensure that the products have that tag. Another reason why collections may not be showing is due to incorrect navigation settings. Check your navigation menu to ensure that the collection is included in the menu. You can do this by going to the navigation page in your Shopify admin and checking the menus that you have set up. It is also important to check your theme settings. Some themes may have specific settings for collections, such as the ability to hide or show collections on certain pages. Check your theme documentation to see if there are any specific settings that you need to configure. Finally, check for any errors or conflicts with your theme or apps. If you have recently installed a new theme or app, it may be causing the issue. Try disabling the app or switching to a different theme to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your collections not showing in Shopify. Remember to always check the Shopify documentation and your theme documentation for specific instructions on how to configure collections in your store.